Hello, English learners. I'm Tommy, and welcome to BBC English Online. Do you sometimes feel that understanding English conversations is difficult, like climbing a big mountain? Or maybe listening feels a little overwhelming when you're just starting? Well, what if I told you there is a way to make English listening easy and enjoyable? This podcast is your secret weapon. Today, we'll share an exciting story created specially for you, using simple words and clear sentences. It will help you improve your listening skills and learn new vocabulary without stress. Imagine understanding English stories comfortably, even as a beginner. What if a fun little story could make learning easier and more enjoyable? Join us as we explore the magic of English listening with a story that teaches essential words and simple sentence structures in a natural way. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn. Are you ready to boost your English listening in just a few minutes? This podcast brings you a unique approach for beginners, an engaging story that makes comprehension simple and enjoyable. You'll discover new vocabulary and master basic sentence patterns, putting you on the path to confident English speaking. So relax, take a slow breath, and get ready for a simple and enjoyable learning adventure. The story begins. Leo's Little Discovery. Today's story is called Leo's Little Discovery. Leo is a small boy with big, curious eyes. He lives in a cozy house with a green garden. Every morning, the sun shines brightly into his room. One sunny day, Leo wanted to play outside. He put on his blue shoes and ran to the garden. The grass was soft and green. Colorful flowers were everywhere: red, yellow, and blue. Leo loved flowers. He walked slowly, looking at each one. Suddenly, he saw something small and shiny under a big red flower. "What is this?" he whispered. He bent down carefully. It was a key, a tiny golden key. It looked very old. Leo picked it up. It felt smooth and a little warm in his hand. He looked around the garden and noticed his favorite big old tree. At the bottom of the tree, there was a small wooden door. Leo had never seen it before. It was hidden by leaves. Could this key open that door? He wondered. His heart beat a little faster with excitement. He walked slowly toward the tree, holding the key tightly. Unlocking key vocabulary and phrases. Let's pause the story for a moment and look at some important words. Curious. Curious means wanting to know or learn something. Leo had curious eyes. Shadow practice. Leo has curious eyes. Cozy means comfortable and warm. Shadow. My house is very cozy. Shiny. Shiny means bright and reflecting light. Shadow. The key was very shiny. Whispered means to speak very softly. Shadow. She whispered a secret. Great job. These words will help you understand the story even better. Your turn. Quick comprehension. Check. What did Leo find under the red flower? Wah. Yes. A tiny golden key. Where did Leo see the wooden door? Correct. At the bottom of the big old tree. The story continues. Leo's big secret. Leo stood in front of the little tree door. The key fit perfectly into the lock. He turned it slowly. Click. The small door opened with a soft creak. Inside, there was a small dark path. It looked like a tunnel. Leo felt a little scared, but also brave. He took a deep breath and stepped inside. The path was short. At the end was a bigger stone door. It had no lock, only a small round button. Leo pressed the button. The stone door rolled open quietly. And what did he see? A bright, beautiful secret garden. There were butterflies of every color. There were flowers he had never seen before. In the middle of the garden was a small, sparkling fountain. The water glowed with soft blue light, and tiny glowing fish swam inside it. Leo felt amazed. He spent a long time exploring the garden, watching butterflies, touching the sparkling water, and smiling the whole time. As the sun began to set, Leo knew he had to go home. He felt a little sad, but also excited. He had discovered something magical. He closed the stone door, walked back through the tunnel, and locked the tree door with his golden key. Leo returned to his cozy house. He knew he would come back tomorrow. It was his special secret. He fell asleep dreaming of glowing water and colorful butterflies. More key vocabulary creak. The sound an old door makes. Shadow. The old door creaked loudly. Tunnel. A passage that goes through something. Shadow. We walked through a dark tunnel. Sparkling. Shining with little flashes of light. Shadow. The snow was sparkling. Refreshing. Making you feel energetic again. Shadow. A cold drink is refreshing. Your turn. Comprehension. Check. What did Leo find after walking through the tunnel? Yes, a secret garden. What was special about the fountain? Exactly. The glowing water and glowing fish. Next steps for fluent listening. What a wonderful discovery Leo made, and you did a great job following along. Stories like this help build your listening skills naturally. Try listening to this episode again. You'll understand more each time. Shadow the sentences to improve your pronunciation. And remember, consistent practice, even 5 minutes a day, makes a huge difference. Thank you for joining me, Tommy, on BBC English Online. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English. See you next time.